All-in-on microphone mixer kit. Monocaster AM2000 is a comprehensive solution for audio processing that integrates audio collecting, processing, and output controlling. It is compatible with smartphones, tablets, and computers, including Android, iOS, Windows and Mac OS. It is plug and play with no extra driver required. The built-in DSP digital audio processor makes it possible to vary your voice and add more sound effect to your podcast with one single button, which will make your live stream more entertaining. Electronic music key changer. There are 12 key notes: A, B, 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 C, D, 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 about G, G, B, F, E, E, B. Short press the electrical tone area to switch to the corresponding electronic tone and long press to close it. Features: 1 Monocaster Lite OAM200 is an all-in-one mixing console designed for live streaming, podcasting, and song recording. 2 Dual microphone input for 2 people live stream. Features pitch changers, key control, and reverb modes to enrich your content. 3. Instant layback of 4 customizable vocal effects and sound effects is supported to make your live streaming or recordings more entertaining to your audiences. 4 Monocaster Lite features a built-in battery that supports up to 8 hours of off-grid live streaming/recording. 5 Stream to up to 4 devices that include computers and smartphones. Compatible with Windows and Mac OS. Custom sound effect. This sound card provides users with 4 custom sound effects buttons. Users can record audio clips and import them to the sound card through a microphone or an external sound source. To use these sound effects in live broadcasts. Bluetooth/default sound effect. This area presets 8 default sound effect buttons, including opening, applause, gunshot, laughter, booing, awkward, cheering, slapping. The user can press the corresponding button to trigger the sound effect. Each sound effect button has an indicator light which will be always on when not triggered. After pressing the sound effect button, the button light flashes until the sound effect ends, and it restores to be always on. Microphone/accompaniment volume control. Rotate the control knob clockwise to increase the volume of the microphone. Rotate the control knob clockwise to adjust the volume of the external accompaniment music. When in use, you can turn clockwise to increase the volume of accompaniment music or counterclockwise to decrease the volume of accompaniment music. Vocal effects. There are 6 function buttons in this area, which are Effect, Pitch, Music Only, Denoise, PK, Sidechain. Dodge mode. When turning on this mode in the live stream, the sound card will automatically lower the volume of the background music and highlight the voice of the human, suitable for live chat scenes. The light will be on when the mode is on, and off when the mode is off. Denoise mode can automatically reduce the ambient sound from the microphone input. Press the button to turn this function on and off. Correspondingly, button lights on and off. Effect. The button has 4 modes corresponding to different light colors, including the original sound mode, cyan, professional mode, red, pop mode, green, and yelling mode, blue. Pitch button has 4 modes corresponding to different light colors, including male to female, red, female to male, green, girlish voice, blue, robot, white. Effect and pitch cannot be triggered at the same time. The all-in-one microphone mixer kit can be used for music studio recording, karaoke online, podcast, singing, live stream, TikTok, YouTube streaming, gaming and FaceTime. It's perfect to do your live streaming at home, school, and office. All-in-one and easy to use. Works as a USB sound card plus mixing station. Integrating audio mixing equipment into one comprehensive solution. It delivers superb sound quality and offers intuitive and full control to optimize vocal and sound effects. The S1 bundle comes with a condenser microphone that lets you start podcasting or live to stream easily in no time. Start recording when you plug into the smartphones or PC. Special effects. 4-user recordable, 8 built-in special audio effects, and various adjustments available for your creation. Fixed audio effects like applause, laughter, cheering. Note: please record your own audio effects you like to audio interface according to the instructions. Born for live streaming, Yagago DJ Mixer Controller supports up to 2 people, 4 devices, and 4 platforms to stream simultaneously. Highlights of this set: you can change your voice to the male, female, girlish, robot. 2 mic inputs, 1 accompaniment input, and real-time monitoring. Good noise reduction effect after pressing denoise button. It is compatible with iOS and Android systems. Start your own concert, 10-step reverb and 12-step electronic music and 3 modifiable tones, treble, mid-range, bass. Make this audio interface more entertaining and meet more live recording needs. Feature: all-in-one and easy to use. Special effect: fixed audio effects like applause, laughter, cheering. Born for live streaming, supports 2 people, 4 devices, and 4 platforms to stream simultaneously. Noise and ambient sound cancelling. Make your voice pure and clear. Built-in lithium battery provides up to 8 hours of usage. Convenient for outdoor live broadcast. Product parameter. Mixer specification. Frequency response 20 Hz 20 kHz. Data transmission USB-C. THD 0.5% 1 kHz. Headset output power 35 MW, 32 Omega, 1 kHD plus N equals 1%. Sample rate 48 kHz/16 bit. Wireless connection Bluetooth 5.0.